4, 3, 2, 1. We have engine ignition.
Guys, it is Saturday morning and I'm heading up to the eastern shore of Virginia. We're gonna go up to Wallops Island and get some close-up shots of a rocket launch today. But first, I've got to get some gas because I've got a long drive ahead of me. Virginia now, and we're coming up on something pretty cool, the Chesapeake Bay Tunnel Bridge. It's pretty awesome if you've never been on it. I think it's like the longest bridge tunnel complex in the world, but you're going out over pretty much the open ocean on this thing. So if you're a little bit squeamish about bridges, this probably isn't the one for you. Made it across the bridge, but I needed to take a nap, so I pulled over into a parking lot. Took a little cat nap, and we're back on the road, and we actually see a sunrise for the first time. And I don't know, I've seen 2 sunrises in a month, I think. It's been raining nonstop. It's been relentless. All the fields up here are all flooded, and gotten cold up here too, so there's a lot of this water's freezing over, but we're almost there, and we still need to go find a place to go set the cameras. And I think once we do find that spot, I'm going to take another little cat nap, but for now I'm just kind of enjoying the sunshine. We're here, but I don't know if we'll be able to stay here because it looks like they're going to close down the road. I can see the rocket way off in the distance, which is kind of cool. This would be a really cool shot if we get to stay here, but I think in the meantime what I'll do is I'll get a couple of pictures of it just kind of standing out there in the launch pad while this road is still open, and then see if we can figure out another place to go see the actual launch. Well, that was a bust. Turns out this road is going to get closed down here in a little while, so that kind of stinks because it's got the perfect view. Took a couple of pictures of it, but I didn't stay out there long because it is cold out. It's above freezing, and it still makes the snot come out of your nose. But some of the friendly DOT guys out here gave me a couple of spots we can try, so maybe some better luck. Good news is I found another spot. Bad news is everybody else found it too, so it's a bit crowded. But you know what? It's a spot. We made this drive here. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna get some cool pictures. Hard part now is just getting everything set up. We're gonna go ahead and set up 2 cameras, and hopefully we'll get some sort of usable shot out of one of these. So if you look off into the distance, you'll see the rocket sitting on the launch pad. That's the Northrop Grumman Antares Rocket. So it's gonna take a bunch of supplies up to the space station. There was this big open space up here at the end of the dock, and nobody else wanted it, so I kind of wondered about it at first, but it looks to me like it's the best spot. Hopefully this thing takes off today, because the last time I came up here, it did not. It was 4 minutes to go, and they scrubbed the whole thing. So hopefully we get to see this thing shooting off into space today.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Northrop Grumman CRS-15 mission is named the SS Katherine Johnson. Northrop Grumman named the CRS-15 after the NASA mathematician, a black woman who time and again broke through the barriers of gender and race.
T-minus 10.
It is a company tradition to name each Cygnus spacecraft after an individual who has played a pivotal role in human spaceflight.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have engine ignition. Main engine start. And we have liftoff of Antares for NG-15 mission. Launch flight to engines are at 100%. Attitude, core pressure, signal subsystems are nominal.
The SS Katherine Johnson takes flight on this, the 59th anniversary of John Glenn's Mercury flight, carrying 8,000 pounds of cargo to the International Space Station. Good performance on the first stage so far.
Engines remain steady. Attitude nominal.
So that was really cool. At least I think it was really cool. And the thing shot off into the air and into space this time, instead of just sitting there doing nothing like it did last time. So it wasn't a wasted trip after all. Although it was hours and hours worth of driving and finding camera placements for 45 seconds worth of flight time. And then the thing just kind of disappears up into the air. So I think I'm gonna stop in Ocracoke on the way home and get some other pictures, maybe do another video.